Can I share my Apple Music subscription with family members who don't live with me?
Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into a frequently asked question about Apple Music. Can I share my Apple Music subscription with family members who don't live with me? Let's break it down step by step.
What is Apple Music family sharing?
Apple Music offers a family plan that allows up to 6 family members to enjoy Apple Music using just one subscription. Everyone gets their own personal music library and recommendations, but it all falls under one bill.
How does Apple define family?
Apple's definition of family, for this purpose, is based on the family sharing group. It's important to note that Apple's intention with family sharing is for those who are in the same household. This means Apple expects members to share the same residential address.
Can I share with family outside my household?
Technically, you can invite anyone to your family sharing group using their Apple ID, regardless of where they live. However, Apple's terms and conditions state that family sharing is intended for single household use. There might be unintended consequences if you share outside of this guideline. Sharing with those outside your household might violate Apple's terms of service.
What are the potential issues?
1. Address conflicts. If a family member wants to make a purchase, the primary payment method of the family organizer will be charged. This can be problematic if family members live in different regions or countries. 2. Privacy concerns. Family members can view each other's downloads, purchases, and location if they use the Find My app. 3. Violation of terms. Breaching Apple's terms of service can result in the suspension or termination of your Apple ID. In conclusion, while the technology allows for sharing your Apple Music subscription with family members outside your household, it's crucial to understand Apple's terms and potential pitfalls. Always make informed decisions and consider the implications. Hope this clarifies things, and happy listening.